Good morning, my little kittens. Today we are going to do a summer-proof makeup because we all know how hard it is to just keep your makeup on your face on the summer because of all of that sweat and all of these things that happen in the summer. So let's go. So first we're gonna start with the face cream, but I think you already know this because we are always doing this, so it's not a new step. My god, I have so many freckles lately. So today I'm gonna use this foundation because it has a lighter coverage and it's perfect for the summer. I don't know, I feel like I like this shade so much because it's a little bit different than the other one. I don't know. Now we're gonna blend this. So because it's a summer-proof makeup, today I'm gonna set my face a little bit because I don't want this to go anywhere. So today we're gonna set the face. Ouch. I almost got my brush in my mouth. I have so many strange veins on my eyes, like here. I don't know why. Oh my god, I can't wait. I will apply some powder here, some here, a little bit here, on my nose a little bit. And also I will take a little bit on my sponge. And I will press it in my skin a little bit because this sets a little bit better and it doesn't look that cakey because I'm setting it with the sponge. Okay, now we're set. I'm going to take some bronzer and I'm going to bronze my face a little bit here. We wanna get bronzed here on the nose too, to look more tanned, and here a little bit too. Now I'm gonna take this highlighter and I'm going to lighten my face a little bit and make it glowy. These parts too, here too, and here too, and a little bit here because this is my favorite point of highlighting, and a little bit on the cupid's bow. I think I need to twist my brows a little bit today because they grew so much. Now we're gonna apply this soap brow, which I'm taking right now. Now I'm going to take this beautiful palette and we're gonna do the makeup. And first I'm gonna take this beautiful pink shade and I'm gonna pack it here. My god, this pink is so beautiful. Oh fuck, I forgot about the fallout that this palette has. But oh my god, look at this pink. This beautiful flamingo pink. This hot pink. I'm gonna pack it here too. So this is the makeup, guys. This is the summer makeup that I can't wait to wear, honestly, today. And it's very simple, and it will last you all day long if you don't scrub your face like a mad woman. So your girl Glammedblondie finished her job and now we are looking fabulous. If you liked what we did today on this video, go and press that like, bell and subscribe button because we will meet a little bit later. Now I'm going to find my cat.